Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today's a beautiful day. You know, we're just out here chilling and we're about to cook up an awesome dish. Actually, Tiffany was supposed to roll with us today, but you see me. So I plan to make one of her favorite dishes, which is also one of my favorite dishes, which is a shrimp parmesan cream cheese, whatever. Like there's no recipe. I'm just gonna throw my hands into it, throw some love into it, and I'm sure it's gonna be good. But of course, we're there so with the boss himself, Keanu, you don't know, official photographer for Soai Vlogs. And a lot of you did comment on the videos with Jillian. So guess who we have here?
Hi everyone.
So we have Jillian back on deck again, and I don't know why she tried to follow my dress pattern. I'm wearing blue Adidas, you are wearing blue Adidas all the way through, like myself.
Where my single light?
But anyway, are you ready for today?
I'm ready.
You're so ready for today.
Food.
Parmesan,
Yes.
shrimp.
Yes.
Alright, so hopefully I can cook it well enough because you don't know, Jillian herself can throw down in the kitchen, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
So I'll tell you how it is.
alright,
I
mad.
won't lie.
Alright.
No man, this is so good. Yeah, right, one of the just a bit
Green beans.
pin. Alright. I put it up, man.
Oh, you put it up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Learn the hard way, you know.
Yes, yeah, you're gonna sit up a stove. If the pot run late, are you?
The flat side is to open up. This is the
Oh, okay. So turn it this way. This way. Yeah. I remember not myself.
Use a knife and squeeze
You never need it all.
it. Yeah, put it like that with a knife and put Don't cut, push.
I'm pushing.
Flat side.
With the flat side or? It's not good. You smell it? Amazing.
Alright, so we have some shrimp in here. Deviant. They are not cooked, which is always the best one because you don't get the shrimp too rubbery. They're already washed and everything, washed and clean. So, simple seasoning, some salt and black pepper. Turn on the black pepper first. Little bit of salt because this dish actually will have cheese. Cheese have a nice salt content to it already, and we're gonna be using butter in it, so don't over salt it. You can always add salt at the end, and that's how our shrimp is done. These shrimp are so nice and fresh. Look at that. Nice size shrimp. You will see the shrimp in every bite. Alright, so the oil kind of hot. That's one whole clove of garlic. I want this super garlicky. One whole clove, roasted garlic. Now I drop in all of the shrimp at once because you know it'll go get too watery. I just want to semi-cook it. We will finish off in the pasta. And shrimp cook fast anyway.
How you liking it so far?
It's good. The food smells good. I'm hungry. Yeah. And I want to swim. Let's have a picture.
Yeah, man.
I'll be down by the river.
So we go try and make a little basic roux. And roux is just equal parts butter, equal parts flour. But we're not using a measuring nothing, you know, we just have a guesstimate. This looks like about, I would say, 3 tablespoons heaped. Good piece of ginger in there. Me like the extra flavor. Little rosemary. A bit of thyme. It's almost like we have flavor from the roux. We do it fast though because butter, especially butter like this, it's gonna brown. But the fire is a bit low. Let that go on a little bit. You guys might have seen we dropped in the butter and the flour, did a quick mix on it and everything, and our roux is done. The roux is like a thickening agent, so I'll take it off for a while. This pot is really hot, and I'm gonna add some heavy cream, bit of water, and start adding a little water. For now, you might need to add more water as we go along anyway, because this is going to keep thickening up like it's doing now. So we'll move to our fork really quick because the best way to do it is actually with a whisk. Now we're gonna add our heavy cream. I like when my pasta is creamy, understand? And this I don't use any particular recipe, you just have to gauge how much thickness and how much pasta you're trying to make. I'll go make that go on until it starts bubble down a little bit. Also remember when you put the cheese in there, the cheese is going to also help to thicken it together. There's a whole bunch of stuff to think about. Take a slight taste of rosemary. Get into a nice consistency now. Add some cheese. So we have some shredded mozzarella. Mozzarella is more, it's a softer cheese. It's a lot more of a dairy flavor. It stretches, not too salty. Parmesan on the other hand is different. Flavor is a lot more distinct. I guess that's why when you go to a restaurant, them just, you know, shave a bit on the top and it just changes the whole dish. So I left back some cheese. If I need more, I'll add more. And you're going to see how thick it's going to start getting because the cheese starts melting in there. And then our garlic paste. So we already have some 3/4 way cooked pasta. Throw that in there. If you realize it ever gets too thick, just add a little bit more heavy cream, add a little bit more water, and you'll be good. So I'll add some more water to this because I want it thick, but I don't want it to burn at all. And now the shrimp. See all that garlic butter still, it's more fluid, more flavor. Don't want to waste that. Matter of fact, I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for garnishing. I should be able to see what the shrimp is on top. Do a quick clicker test. Good. Need some salt though. One time I did in New York, you know. I'm gonna serve my parmesan, you know. More cheese, monsieur. A Mexican man work at Italian restaurant. More
Thank
cheese.
you. I like it.
Very good.
This bad. Steven, you did good. Big and nice. Really nice and cheesy.
Alright, so you see what went into the preparation of the dish. What do you think? I know you go to the hotel them and the restaurant them and you have all the fancy food them. Huh?
Oh yes, I know.
Eh? Oh yeah, well go on.
It's really good. Better than any hotel. I think it needs to
You
open a
lie?
restaurant.
Really?
No, for real, yeah. The only thing I put a little love,
Pepper.
pepper.
Yeah.
I'm buying like
When I
pepper.
looked in my bag I was like, damn, I
That's the
ain't
only
rock
thing
no
that's missing.
pepper.
Some country pepper cut
Yeah.
up on the top.
Yeah.
But we can't open a restaurant, man. Bad. Bad.
She ready to fear, you know. She tell us that she want her she need a shrimp.
I'll share with you. You know my girl. I'll give her a piece.
Huh? You get a piece?
Yeah. You're welcome.
The whole of shrimp she get.
Yeah.
She live life.
That's my girl.
You can't take time in it, it's a chop. Chop, chop.
Put that in there now.
Eh?
You know what I put that in
Why?
there? You look craven.
I'm not saying go. We did do another pasta dish one time which was chicken that time. That one we went all out with, we went bacon and
Bacon.
everybody on top.
3 different, but this is just as good.
Shrimp in itself is a vibe.
Yeah.
Shrimp have a different flavor, is it?
I love the switch with the hint of rosemary.
Rosemary, yeah.
You know, overpouring none at all. Both.
What I think about the shrimp, what I think about the pasta itself.
The shrimp, not overcooked, not undercooked, just right. Pasta just the same.
Nice. Alright my boy, go enjoy food.
Uncooked.
So I test her, you know. I know pastas are very filling dish. And she said she thinks that maybe I give her enough food.
I thought it was too much. I was going to tell her to take some out of it.
Yeah.
But watch out. It's not look good at all.
Survive.
Can you open my beer for me? Please?
Because I am not that guy. I'm not afraid to put that on the camera too. You know that. Now let's see the vibes, you know? Look up by the car something.
Thank you.
But I edit that out and make it seem like a me, though. And I run my channel them with it, you see me?
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, Both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet.
Cold.
Hold me now, tell me things.
Everybody that comes with us have to try this water. It is freezing cold. That's your baptism. Yeah. Welcome to the fall.
Just let yourself go. Just let go.
All the way in.
Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be you. We're holding back each other in the things we
It feel good?
It's all so bleak. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud.
Jill, it was cold in the beginning. How did it feel in the end? Cold in the end, same way. But like, it's refreshing. Right. Really good?
Belly full, water nice. Beer is over there.
Belly full, water nice, beer. Vibes. Alright, and that's basically gonna wrap up another video. Great vibes, some really good food. I appreciated that dish today. And I really was happy to have Jillian back on the vlog so you guys could see her and then take her up here for the very first time. Now, like she said, the water is very cold, but once you come out, you feel refreshed. It's just a whole thing. Currently now, my cousin is doing a bit of a photo shoot on her. So maybe in the future, I'll do maybe an Airbnb experience or whatever. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to do something like this. We can come, we can do a cookout, you can do a photo shoot, whatever the case is, and it will be a whole vibe. But anyway, remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, hit the link.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I,